I've got another unboxing video, and I've got Sensory Play Box to unbox today. So you can see this rather large box with lots of colourful worms sticking out. So I'll just put this down here. It is a little bit different to my beauty boxes because essentially it's a play box, but it's not just a play box. I will go into detail about what it is and who is it for and everything in a little while. So for me personally, I tell you all about me and my dyslexia and dyscalculia and everything, but I don't always open up about my family, and I'm not going to, because they'll be mortified. But this box is for them, and I will leave it at that. Because I'll get into trouble because I talk too much. So anyway, this is a sensory play box for children and adults, and it costs £3.95 postage and packaging. Now you are free to cancel any month, and also you can skip months as well. I will link everything down below, so click on the show more and that'll bring up the description, so everything will be down there. So the aim of this box predominantly is to build cognitive, social, vocabulary skills as you explore and play. Sensory play box is beneficial for everyone, but especially for people that have autism, ADHD, sensory needs and anxiety. So each box contains 7 to 10 items, and they're a mix of tactile fidgets, putty, textured items, craft, fine motor based activities, light up toys and pull tubes, visual timers and stress balls. So it's a big old mix there. Also you get the option to have free PEC cards, so picture exchange cards, which I asked for, and these came separate to the box. So they are free, and there is that option on the website to actually choose. So if you're not aware of picture exchange cards, they're amazing little cards that have really helped us in the past as well. But they're basically little pictures, and they've got words underneath, and they've got Velcro at the back, so you can stick them and make your own boards. So it's a way of being able to communicate with a person that might have difficulty communicating back. I just found these really, really, really good. So there's a selection there. You also can choose to put your own name on the box. So I asked for Diary of a 40-something because I didn't want to put one of my children's because they would just argue. So I've got Diary of a 40-something written on mine. So if you subscribe between the 1st and the 5th of the month, you will receive that current box. So say for instance now it's past the 5th of May, so if you were to say subscribe tomorrow, then payment would be taken out or straight away, but you will receive a June box, and then in June your payment will be taken out on the 20th of that month. So if that makes sense. So unfortunately you aren't able to get this box this month because I am a little late in uploading as I've been away for the weekends and things, so I apologise for that. But this box will give you an idea of the items that you receive, and actually the way it's packaged and everything, which is beautiful, which I'm sure you'll agree when you see it. It comes in this really cool box. It's got a magnet shutter, which is really good. And look at this. Each box comes with a card and a description of all the items that are inside, which I'll refer to as I go through it. Look how gorgeous these are. So I've hidden this from my children because I know if they'd seen it, they wouldn't have let me unbox it. So I'll put it down below, and I'll just take the top section of worms away. Look how cool that is. Oh my gosh. I'm going to have to keep them. So I've taken the first layer off. It says explore. So this is the box there. That gives you an idea of some of the things that are inside. So as I do with my beauty unboxings, I'll grab an item, show you, and then I'll have a little bit of a read. So my first item is this vibrating body massager with soft lighting. Let's open it up. So that's what that looks like. Okay, now we put our own batteries in it. Yeah, got 2 AA batteries in there. Is it AA or AAA? No, AAA. So 3 AAA batteries that go in there. So you press it on, and I suppose these all light up, and you can roll on your body like that. Wow, I would like this myself. So the body massager, this palm-sized massager is lightweight, features 3 LED massage nodes that work together to target all the contours of the body. The vibration helps to penetrate deep into the muscle tissue, relieving tension and stress, providing a sensation that many children find incredibly relaxing. And it says here, yeah, it requires 3 AAA batteries. So that's what that looks like, a little massager there. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? Really good. The next item is this really large bottle of something. It says Happy Senso, and it's multi-sensory gel. That's what it looks like. It is really huge. It is massive. It's 300 mils. And that's what it looks like there. Let's see what the information says. Happy Senso is a gel with multi-sensory properties. Its intensity can be varied by applying it in several ways. You can hear it, feel it and see it. There is also a cooling effect on the skin. A wonderful product for sensory stimulation. Happy Senso is of the highest quality and has been dermatologically tested. Highly appreciated by occupational therapists, physiotherapists, remedial therapists and speech therapists. Oh my gosh, that sounds wonderful. Let me have a look. Let me see what it's like. Oh, they're gonna love that. It is freezing, but really cool. It is bubbling up on my hands, dissolving slowly. Oh, the noise is great. It sounds like chips frying in a fryer. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, my kids are going to love this. It's all crackling. Oh my god. What's the smell? I'm not sure. There is a smell to it. Oh, it's just bizarre. I will have a search and I'll find out to see if I can find out any costs of these items. So yeah, and I'll link it down below. But no, super impressed with that. Super impressed. So next item, we got something squidgy. And this is a flashing sea life bead ball. Oh my god. See, I love these things. Look at this. So there you go. Look at this. Can you see the beads in there? Whee! So let's find out where. There it is. Oh wow. Can you see? It is flashing. You can sort of just about see it in there, hopefully. That'd be really cool. So this is a squishy bead sea creature. These soft animal-shaped stress balls are full of gel beads that give little hands that wonderfully squishy feeling. A popular fidget and great way to work on fine motor development and hand strength. These balls also have a pressure-activated flashing LED inside for added visual stimulation. Nope, they're going to love that. So the next item, oh, it's an octopus. It's a large squidgy octopus. So that's what that looks like there. It's got long tentacles. It feels a little bit sticky, but very, 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 oh, what's in there? It's got beads as well. You can see there. Hopefully you can see some beads. Right, so what does it say here? So this stretchy octopus is a good sized sensory toy offering hours of fun for fidgety fingers. Yeah, no, that is lovely. Squidgy, squidgy, squidgy. Oh, this is just a sensory ball. This is, oh, it feels really nice. If you put a little bit of pressure on your skin, it feels really, really nice in the palm of your hands. Oh, it's quite spiky. So doesn't shake, doesn't light up. It's just a hard plastic. But it's really, really nice, just nice rolling it on your skin. So this is called a Porcupine Ball and it says these highly tactile spikes are great for massage therapy and provide deep stimulation. I don't know what this is, it looks like slime of some sorts. I don't know. Oh, there it is. Slime, test tube slime. So the information says that super tactile to touch and experiment with, pour it from hand to hand, stretch it, roll it, spread it. Great tactile sensory fun to encourage tactile defensive children to reach out and touch with their hands to experience its strange and almost wet texture. I'm going to have to try it, aren't I? Oh my gosh, they are going to love it. Look. Look. Get me out the picture. Look at that. Ooh, that is weird. It is just really cold slime. Ooh, how can I put it back in? Really cool, I like that. And I know that they will like that as well. So next item is, I don't know, light up flashy stick. Ooh. Let's see what this is then. You pull a thing here. It's got a little button on the side. Oh wow, yes! Can you see? I wish I could turn all the lights off, but I've got a massive Velux window and it's super, super bright. There's no point. But basically, there, hopefully you can see that it is flashing. Oh, look, that's super cool. That's super cool. Oh, it changes. The little button, you press it and it changes. It's sort of, And the colours, is that off? 1, 2, 3, off. So there's 3 different settings. It says here, this flashy stick offers a fantastic array of colours. So I'll take my camera and I'll film in a dark room so to show you exactly what it's like. So the next item is something large. What's this? It's a gyro wheel. So I've just opened it and this is what it looks like. I've never seen anything like this before in my life. But it comes off in your hands like this and it's got 2 little magnets. Ah. Oh wow. That is so cool. You can see this is lighting up. I will show all the light up ones. I'll do it in a dark room afterwards. Oh, I like it. Oh, they will love this. They will love it. And you can go really fast. So it's like a fidget spinner, but with a difference. So this is called a gyro wheel, and it's start the wheel spinning and watch your LED lights change colour. Gentle gyrating motion, spinning wheel and multicolour lights create a unique and wonderful sensory experience. Gotta put it down, you've got to put it down, right. So the last item is a little marble in like a sock. It can't come out, but it's a little tactile little sock. You can just about see the marble in there. You might not be able to on the camera. Oh, there, you can see it there. So what's this do? I suppose just for feeling and pushing it up and down. The marble fidget can help promote a sense of calm, reduce stress, anxiety and increase focus attention. So those were 9 items, but for me, I like these. I think this is fab. This is, where is it? Once it starts going. That is so cool. So things like this are so handy to put in a car, especially on a long car journey. And you know, it's for any kids. They don't have to have any different conditions or disabilities or anything. This has to be my favourite one. I just love it. It is just amazing. Just the feel, the sound. Yeah, so I'm going to go off now and video the light up toys. I'll show you what they look like in the dark and I'll be back. This is that squidgy little bath toy. Look how cool that is. That is super, super cool. So pretty lights. So this is that light stick, and it changes colour and it flashes. It's like a little torch on the end as well. And then the next one is that one, which is super pretty. I can't do it. It's because I'm holding on to the camera. There. I can just about hold them all. So these are all the sensory toys. So there's 9 items in this box. I am super impressed. Really impressed with them. And I can't wait to show my kids and to see which ones they like to play with. And yeah, pop a few in the car as well, because that's when we tend to have a bit of trouble in the car. So having something to touch and to play with and to help relax and everything, I think will really help. So yeah, I'll just put these down. So if you like this video, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. As I said, I will link everything down below. If you want to take a look, you're welcome to do so. And yeah, if you'd like to see more, and if you haven't done so already, then please subscribe to my channel. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.